Hi guys, thanks for joining me here on my YouTube channel. I just wanted to say hello and share a little bit about who I am, so you know where my videos are coming from and which point of view I'm looking at photography from. To begin with, I've been a photographer for 20 years now professionally and full-time, and I'm known for shooting primarily large format film in mostly color but also black and white. I shoot large format 4x5 inch and 8x10 inch, as well as a couple of panoramic formats in there. And I've got collectors in all 50 states and about 50 different countries. So my primary focus is producing beautiful prints. What am I going to be sharing on the channel here? Well, I hope you're going to help me with that. Please leave comments, send me messages as to what you'd like to see. But for now, I have started with 1 minute in nature videos where I share scenes from nature that you can relax with. I'm doing videos in my traditional darkroom, and I'll also do some videos in the digital darkroom. From there, I'm sharing a lot of experiences in the field. So whether it's a video of myself taking pictures and setting up my camera, or taking images of my camera and looking at the view that I'm seeing. I'm going to share the experience of being a large format photographer and someone that is looking at the natural world with a sense of awe and a desire to share the beauty that I find out there. I really appreciate your being here. I hope you'll share with me and take part. I hope you'll subscribe, and I'd really appreciate it if you share this with other people that might enjoy it. Thanks for joining me, and I look forward to creating a wonderful community.